Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share fresher hiring. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically, friends, as soon as you open the Google Chrome, just visit my website, which is Booble360. I have shared lots of jobs in this video, in this website, so take a look. So I'm going to discuss about this job in this video. However, would like to give a glimpse on these jobs as well. American Express is hiring. I have posted this job, and Zelite is also hiring for business analyst, fresher hiring. These are also freshers hiring. So take a look and help the job seekers. Just share this information with them, and let us talk about this job in a Globant company. So basically, this job is a game developer job in Pune, and the company is Globant. Let me click on here directly and let me open this one. So let's see what kind of person they are looking for. So basically, you need to have passionate, and you need to be flexible and goal oriented. And coming to the skills, you need to have some knowledge on object oriented development and any programming language like C# or C++. And keeping that aside, you need to have some knowledge on graphics related tools like OpenGL, Vulkan, DirectX, WebGL. And I think these people are looking for some pro type, but as a fresher it's okay to have only C# or C++. C++ would be fine. And you need to have some sounding knowledge on data structures and algorithms. So this is what you can prepare. And let's say if you want to apply for this job, you can click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, you need to log in with your email address and password if you have applied already. If not, you need to click on create an account. Then it will show you the further process. Make sure you have your resume in your handy when you are applying for this job. And let me share this in the LinkedIn. Sorry, this one. And keeping that aside, let me talk about Glassdoor of Globant. 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 So I'll try to share the salary part. So basically, friends, I'm gonna click on salaries, and as soon as I click on salaries, I got all these details. For software engineer, the salary is 6,62,000. Since the role is like a game developer, we need to assume the salaries of this one for like 80,000 for software engineer. So my standard salary recommendation for this job is at least 8 LPA or more. So this is what this company will pay you, if I'm not wrong. If any Globant employee is watching this video, do let us know what would be the recommended salary or what is exactly the company is paying for this role. And that's it for this video, friends. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.